hello, genius kids. A is for apple, B is for baby, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for goat, H is for hat, I is for ice cream, J is for jug, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for nurse, O is for orange,